Hi everyone and welcome to the Homoeo Soul. Today we are going to learn about the bones and the joints of the upper limb that include the bones of a thorax. Thorax is an osteocartilaginous cavity. The bones of a thorax. There are 12 ribs on each side. Gap between the ribs are called as the intercostal spaces. First 7 ribs which are connected through their cartilage to the sternum are called as the true rib or the vertebrosternal ribs. The remaining five are the false ribs. Out of these, the cartilage of the 8th, ninth, and the 10th rib are joined to the next higher cartilage and they are known as the vertebrochondral ribs. The anterior end of the 11th and the 12th rib are free and they are called as the floating ribs or vertebral ribs. The first two and the last three ribs have a special feature and they are atypical ribs. Third and the ninth rib are the typical ribs. Typical ribs. First rib, it is the shortest, broadest and most curved rib. Second rib, length is twice that of the first rib. Shaft is sharply curved like that of the first rib. Tenth rib, shorter and has only single facet on the head for the body of the 10th thoracic vertebra. 11th and the 12th rib, they are the short. Costal cartilage. It is representing the unossified anterior parts of the rib. They are made up of a hyaline cartilage. They contributes materially to the elasticity of the thoracic wall. They contributes materially to the elasticity of the thoracic wall and the medial end of the costal cartilage of the first 7 rib are attached directly to the sternum. The 8th, ninth, and the 10th cartilage articulate with one another and form the costal margin. Each cartilage has the two surfaces, anterior and a posterior, two borders, superior and the inferior, and the two end, lateral and medial. Clinical anatomy. The weakest area of the rib is the region of its angle. This is the commonest site for the fracture and the cervical rib occur in 0.5% of the person. So this is all about the bones of the thorax. If you like my work, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get a further notification. Thank you so much.